Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to unsubscribe from a channel on Kick. Now, if you want to unsubscribe a channel from Kick but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now, if you want to unsubscribe to a streamer on Kick.com, first thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have installed the Kick app on a device. So if you have not installed, you need to simply install the app from App Store or Play Store on a device. So after that, you need to open the Kick app on a device and make sure that you are logged into your account. So after logging in, you need to click on the profile icon at the very top right, and here you will see the option of channel, block channel, notification, legals and language. Now you need to click on the option of channels, and here you will see the various channels which you have subscribed and followed. So if you don't see the option of channel, you will see the option of subscription from the menu. So it depends on the version of the app. So now you need to find the channel you want to unsubscribe and click on the option of manage subscription and select the cancel subscription button, and you may simply unsubscribe those channels by this. Or you may also click on the option of following at the very bottom taskbar, and here you will see the option of the content which you have followed or the channel which you have followed, and you may simply unsubscribe them from here too. So that's it. That's how you can unsubscribe on Kick. Thank you for watching our video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.